Have you ever wondered what the ingredients are to Oprah Winfrey's secret sauce of success? Did you know about all the hardships overcome by one of the most powerful women in America? In this video, we'll explore the mindset of this incredible and powerful woman and her rise to greatness. From extreme poverty to billionaire status, while uncovering her prosperous methods for success. Watch on to find out how to implement Oprah Winfrey's secret sauce of success into your life. We will reveal all the extraordinary methods that help an individual just like you and me reach the peak of personal growth. Oprah was born in January 1954 in a rural town in Mississippi. Her childhood would prove to be a turbulent time. She was sexually abused by male relatives during her stay at her mother's home. This would spark her move to Nashville to live with her father, Vernon. By the year 1971, she would head to Tennessee State University. She began working in radio and television broadcasting during this time, but it was her move to Baltimore in 1976 that would prove to be pivotal to her career. She found great success hosting a TV chat show named People Are Talking. Fast forward 10 years, and Oprah, through her major popularity and skill, was able to launch The Oprah Winfrey Show. The show would remarkably run until 2011, consistently maintaining an audience in the millions. So what's the first ingredient to Oprah Winfrey's secret sauce of success? Manifestation. What is manifesting? The idea is to use your feelings and thoughts to create something, an idea, a way of being, and bring that to life. In many ways, it can be a transformation, becoming what you seek. The power of manifestation has been an invaluable tool for Oprah throughout her life. It has allowed her to operate on a certain level, or as she describes it, in order to manifest, you have to put yourself up in that vibration where your dream and passions come from, and live in that vibration in order to attract what you want in life. Indeed, this practice can be fruitful, but not without time, patience, and dedication. And it seems that's exactly what Oprah has done. She's essentially living proof that manifesting is beneficial to one's self-improvement. She's reached magnificent heights throughout her career and ran her hugely famous talk show for 25 years, airing over 4,500 episodes. Interestingly, psychologist Dr. Carol Dweck of Stanford University suggests that believing you can do something significantly enhances your chances of doing that thing successfully. This is a powerful tool that's available to anyone that practices it. As a human being, you already have all you need to manifest. There are many different methods one can undertake to manifest. One option is journaling. This is a simple way of generating awareness of your thoughts and dreams. In contrast, visualization, the method of picturing your thoughts and dreams eternally, works too. One must draw upon as many details as possible and revisit them throughout the day. However, the more popular route adopted by those who choose to manifest is the 3-6-9 method. This is concerned with writing down what you want to manifest all through the day, 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times in the evening. The aim is to maintain your goal throughout the day. The second ingredient to Oprah Winfrey's secret sauce of success is meditation. Oprah is a strong advocate for the power of meditation and practices transcendental meditation daily. What is transcendental meditation? It was a form of meditation created by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi in the 1950s. It's based on an ancient meditative yoga practices. According to the Cleveland Clinic, transcendental meditation is when you silently repeat a mantra in your head. The focus is to settle your body down to a state of restful alertness. Your body is deeply relaxed and your mind is quiet, but you're wide awake. With this type of meditation, your active mind settles inward until you transcend to a state of pure consciousness. Oprah states, "The outside world is constantly trying to convince you you're not enough, but you don't have to take the bait. Meditation helps you resist." In this case, meditation allowed Oprah to escape the constraints that society brings upon a person, particularly a Black American woman. She believes that failure is just there to point you in another direction. She has not allowed her mind to crumble in reaction to failure. She stays centered, focused, and strives for her next challenge with certainty. Furthermore, she claims, "There is not one thing that ever happened to you that doesn't happen just to make you better and help you rise." She is the first Black American woman to have her own production company. Not only that, but she's won countless awards, including Emmys, People's Choice Awards, and was even awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Her belief that meditation can transform lives is so compelling that she introduced a teacher of transcendental meditation to her company. The effects were incredible. The involvement began with 7 people, which shortly grew to 70, which led to 270. Soon, everyone in the company was meditating. At 9 o'clock in the morning and at 4:30 in the afternoon, all the staff would stop and meditate no matter what's going on. Oprah claims the effects on her staff were life-changing. Her employees who suffered from migraines no longer did. Relationships and interactions between staff improved, and the quality of sleep was far greater than it had previously been. The third ingredient to Oprah Winfrey's secret sauce of success is self-improvement. Whereas meditation and manifestation are indeed methods of self-improvement, Oprah largely uses her platform to further the self-improvement of herself and others. The belief that giving back and helping others serves to benefit oneself also is strong within Oprah. There are countless examples throughout her career that show her using her platform for self-improvement. Oprah's book club recommended 70 books during its 15 years, making many bestsellers. Her encouragement to read reached millions of people, and the rise became known as the Oprah Effect. In addition, the National Child Protection Act, passed in 1993, actually became known as Oprah's Bill. Much of Oprah's involvement was credited for the bill being passed. She initiated the act, calling on many of her viewers for support. Oprah has her own foundation. Within this, she provides grants to nonprofit organizations which are actually funded by her own money. Overall, she supports over 20 charities. Intriguingly, she owns 700 acres of land on a Hawaiian island, in which she donates produce locally, with a future plan to expand her distribution throughout the Hawaiian Islands. But ultimately, Oprah uses a particular painting. It serves as a base for well-being, wholeness, and she looks at it every day. The painting is of an enslaved woman holding her daughter's hand on an auction block. A powerful image that helps remind Oprah to never forget the people who made it possible for her. Oprah states how its function helps her to understand, knowing who I am and where I come from. Oprah's remarkable journey of self-improvement is something to commend, learn from, and adopt. The traumatizing experiences she suffered as a child did not stand in the way of greatness. She turned evil on its head and became one of the most influential women in history. Her mindset to all things of concern remains the same: driven, disciplined, open. Her success as an individual has been made possible through the internal work she has done for herself. Oprah truly believes that what an individual needs the most to succeed is spiritual practice. In her own words, you have to fill up your cup enough to be able to share that abundance with the world. If you don't fill your cup, you end up exhausted, drained, and you won't have enough to give to other people. Her words of wisdom are there to provide the foundations for self-improvement and success to anyone who listens. Her lessons on how to better oneself are achievable for all, the benefits boundless.